And actually I didn't use any of the purples in this look, so the purple palette wasn't really used. Well, the purple palette was used, but the purples in the purple palette weren't used. Fuck purple.
Every single day, I'm gonna make.
Hi, welcome back to my channel. I'm Maskara Cakes. So the other day I wanted to use my Norvina Anastasia Beverly Hills palette, but I couldn't find it. I was like, where the fuck is this palette? And I was like, whatever. I couldn't find it. I looked through all my makeup drawers, could not find it. I was like, fuck it. I'll use some other shit. And today I was looking through my lipstick drawer and I saw it. I was like, what the fuck?
I looked here, it wasn't here, but here it is.
So I wanted to do an easy, simple Valentine's Day makeup look with my Norvina palette. So, this is the look I came up with. I used the Norvina palette on the eyes, but then I used some Suva Beauty Hydroliners, and a sugar pill, and lots of glitter. Cause, yeah.
Valentine's Day, glitter is love, right?
Alright, if you want to see how I got this look, just stay tuned. Okay, so I already have primer on my eyes. I'm going to go in with this base shade to set my primer. Now usually I'll do my eye makeup before my base, like foundation and shit. Well, I'm just using concealer. But lately I've been doing my concealer because I've just been using concealer, not actual foundation. So if you're a beginner, it's easier to start before you do your foundation. I'm not trying to throw any shade, it's just, it'll be easier to do your eye makeup in case there's fallout, because if you don't have a lot of practice, it's easier to get fallout down below your eyes. Even if you have tons of practice, fallout can get on your fucking eye bags, and that sucks. I mean, if you're comfortable doing your foundation first, fucking go for it. But if you're not sure, I would do your foundation last. So in my crease, I'm going to go in with this love color, this pink, for my first transition shade. The big, fluffy blending brush. See, I already got some shit on my face. Fuck. To attempt to get less fallout, I like to pick it up on my brush and then stamp it into my crease and then blend. It doesn't always ensure you'll get less fallout, but it helps. Now with a smaller, more pointed crease blending brush, I'm going to go in with this passion color. Don't put this one up as high as you did the lighter pink love color. And then, like, with a crease brush, this one's kind of a fluffy crease brush, I'm going to take Volatile, put that on the outer V of my eye. So blend it up into the crease. Not all the way over, just like a third of the way in, halfway. And then I'm just going to take a clean blending brush, and just go inwards with all those colors. And go in, pick up, come back to the outside, and go in. And now I'm going to take glitter glue and put it on all that empty space on the inside corner of my eyelid. And then I'm going to use Wild Child over that glitter glue. And then I'm going to go back in with that clean blending brush and blend into that shimmer color so it doesn't look so harsh. And then I have some fallout over here. I'm just going to take my brush and wipe it away. I'm going to take that Love color and put that on my lower lash line. Well, first I'm going to go in with the Love, the lighter pink, on my lower lash line. I pointed to the wrong one. And now I'm going to go with Passion, the darker pink. Just go on the outer third of my eye, bottom lash. Again, I'm going to take that clean blending brush and just buff out that bottom lash line like. I'm going to do my liner, lashes, cheeks, everything else, and I'll be back. Okay, and this is the finished look. I added some glitter on top of my lipstick, which is Hijinks from Sugar Pill. And then I drew these little hearts with the Suva Beauty Hydra Liner. This one's in Bakwas, and this one is in Rose Gold. And my liner, I use the Bakwas and then put black over it. And I will put close-up pictures of all of this. Alright guys, be nice to somebody. Don't be an asshole. See you next time.